Here we have our Freskaro 3-piece 25kn UIAA and CE certified safety carabiners. We open the box and we can see, so we have a little booklet, and and finally, when it comes out, it's free. So we have our, first of all, the little guide in all the languages, and I do like to draw attention to the safety. The safety is very critical with carabiners. When you're using them in a dangerous way, it is very imperative you understand the principles of how a load force is applied and where the force needs to be within the carabiner, as of course incorrect positioning will be very dangerous. So that aside, and we move on to take the one in the middle. We come in a nice little pouch, and you can see it's sealed up just to stop transportation scratches, and also something you can reuse. So if you want to do that, then do cut just along the edge there, and you can see you can reuse these bags, keep them nice and safe if you so wish. And here we have our unit. That's the auto locking model. Nice, clean. And there's the other two there, pack of 3. Thank you.